Okay, show Eddie, show Timmy, and welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. And this is still the monthly challenge for May, which was long weekend, because it's the first long weekend of the year. And of course, we all know if it's a long weekend, there's going to be rain sooner or later, because not everybody's lucky. So today we're going to make so you get stuck inside cooking something other than over the open fire of the barbecue. So, and you'll probably end up with a crowd. So anyways, Donna Dream Creation sent me Cincinnati recipe chili mix. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to make it four-way. Four-way is the chili sauce, spaghetti, onions, and the cheese I forgot to take out of the fridge. So anyways, pitter patter, get at her. This is pretty simple. You mix this package with water and a can of tomato paste, and then you put the meat into it and break it up. You don't brown the meat. So anyways, let's get at it. So here we go. There's our chili mix. A whole bunch of spices going on there. They call for a 6-ounce can, but tomato paste, but doesn't come in 6-ounce cans. It comes in 5.5. That's shrinkflation, I guess. Or maybe it always did. We got a 2-year-old can. It expired 2 years ago, and it's still 5.5 as well. May as well put a little bit of heat to her too. Waste not, want not. Anyways, let's get some more water in here. We'll get some meat in there. Then we're going to take our potato masher and break this up. Basically use a fork. Potato mash works fine. And we'll come back when we've got this all together and at the boil. And there we are, all mixed up. Our 6 cups of water, our meat all crumbled up, and now we bring it to a boil and simmer it for an hour and a half or so while I go rescue my little dummy from outside. Okay, let's throw our spaghetti in the pot. Spaghettini, actually. Well, make a big mess. Anyway, we'll come back when that's cooked. The chili is pretty well ready. Okay, we're ready. Taste testers part is already ready for them. That's the important thing in my life. So anyways, Cincinnati Chili. One way is just plain chili. Two-way is on top of spaghetti. And yes, I'm going to be eating this all week. So let's finish it off and make it four-way. Okay. Let's make it four-way. This is three-way. I could have chopped the onions a little bit finer, but anyways. And there's four-way with cheese. And that's it. And to go with that, I actually made a salad. And a lemon vinaigrette. First time I've ever made a vinaigrette. So, anyways, there it is. It's time for the DIY dark matter taste test. Because I've got two little dogs that are telling me that. So, we'll be right back. Okay, two little dogs and three-way Cincinnati Chili. We'll see if it's a hit. I guess it is a hit. I guess it's mine and Timmy's turn to do the taste test, so be right back. Okay, here we are. So first we're going to have a bite of salad, because I didn't try this vinaigrette except on a finger. Really good if you like lemons. Anyways, we'll try our chili. And it's good. You can use it as a hot dog chili as well. I don't think Timmy was that impressed, but oh well, you can't like everything. Anyways, Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears, and she keeps a playlist on her channel, and the link will be down below. We have a new challenge every month. This is the last week of May, which the challenge was long weekend meals. I posted the challenge for next month, the month of June, on Sunday. And the challenge will be sides, barbecue sides. So salads, cornbread, you name it. Whatever you feel like, or you can do mains as well. We don't care. Just let us know and we'll get you up on the playlist. So, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.